Unlike Word, Excel does not contain a watermark command, so a short workaround will overcome the problem. This video will demonstrate and explain an easy method to insert a watermark in Excel. Let's assume that the data we see needs to show a watermark of confidential. First, click in the middle of the data. Then choose the Insert command, and in the far right, go to the text group and choose the drop arrow for the Insert Word Art command. Then choose the fourth A in the top row. Triple click to select your text here and type confidential. Notice that the Word Art border is surrounded by a dotted line. Click the dotted line, which then changes to a solid line, which now selects everything inside, and we can format the shape. Now right click on the Word Art text and select Format Shape. Firstly, make sure that the Word Art, you may need to click on it again, is surrounded by a solid line. Now over on the right in the Format Shape commands, you'll see two commands, the Shape options and the Text options. In the Shape options, click the drop arrow for fill and make sure no fill. Click the drop arrow for the line and no line. Now click on the text options and ensure that the text fill is no fill, and in the text outline we want a solid line. To ensure that the watermark is easily visible, I generally choose red. You can choose whichever colour you want, but red makes it stand out. Lastly, you'll see the transparency I have set to 30-odd%. This means that the data in the watermark allows the data beneath to be seen. Now what you can do is to move the watermark wherever you want. You can turn it around here if you wish using that command, but now everything can be seen through the watermark, and with the colour red it means that it will not be missed.